Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating the game version and server tick rate. This matters because some commands behave differently on 128 versus 64. Once verified, enable the developer console and set launch options, console and plus exec auto exec. CFG, so your file always loads. Make a backup of config. CFG, then create auto exec. CFG inside the game's CFG folder. This prevents accidental loss and gives you a dedicated file for persistent changes. These early steps ensure reproducible results and simplify troubleshooting later. Now you edit the auto exec with core inputs. Set sensitivity, enable RAW input, and disable mouse accel so aim remains consistent. That's how you remove hardware or OS influence. Next, set viewmodel offset x/y/z and tweak crosshair settings to match your visual preference. Save the file with host write config or writecog to persist. Finally, optimize network values, rate, CL up data rate, and CL interp, because smooth hit registration depends on matching server tick and interpolation ratios. Make incremental changes and test. Finish by launching an offline 128 tick server or an aim map to validate your config. Practical testing reveals unintended side effects fast. Once in game, run exec auto exec. CFG and confirm binds, sensitivities, and netvars respond. Bind quick keys to toggle major changes for rapid comparison. Save final adjustments and optionally set the file to read-only to avoid accidental overwrites. If settings don't apply, check that plus exec is in launch options, confirm file path and permissions, and then re-exec the file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.